Biodiversity is being threatened globally and at a national scale. And we know this in the Netherlands because of nitrogen deposition. To combat this, we need to put people in the field. However, those people cannot measure everything. So instead, we're using satellites to monitor the entirety of the Netherlands at the same time. Now, satellites can provide us with really good information, but they don't provide us with everything. We have at the Amsterdam Space Symposium 15 students working on a talent challenge to look at new technologies concerning satellites to monitor biodiversity.
Hello everyone, this is Zara and I'm here with my teammates Peter, Timo and Christos. And we're going to tell you about our experience at the Amsterdam Space Symposium. So first of all, we were all from different backgrounds. We didn't know each other, but we came together. We researched the topic. It was a lot of research work, a lot of discussions and talking with the experts who guided us very beautifully throughout. We also talked with a lot of companies about our idea, which was very valuable. They gave us very valuable insight. And then we ended up winning the project. So basically our idea is Google Maps for plant chemistry. And more scientifically, it's getting the plant composition or chemistry through circular polarimetry.